Well, over here at the storage lot for the camper, as you can see, I got all kind of campers around me, and I just bought a generator. I'm sure you can hear it in the background, and I wanted to come out here and give it a shot and see what it's like running this thing out here. And I went ahead and plugged up. Don't know if you can see that. Plugged in my power cord. This is the first time running this generator. And there we go. That's the WEN 56380i generator, and it's pretty quiet. Right now I'm running about 60%, and it's really good, and it's quiet too. I'm really impressed. I stopped and put about 1.5 gallons of gas in this thing, so it's probably going to last. I can probably get 6 hours running it like this. It's quite a warm day, and I can turn the air conditioner on, and it's still running. Like I said, right now it's at 60%. I got a couple of lights on. The air conditioner, it's cooling down the trailer right now, so it's probably running pretty good. It's pulling a lot of amps. But yeah.